Manufacturing processes, shift changes and shipping schedules are dependent upon accurate timing. Synchronized clock systems reference official time data, such as Coordinated Universal Time and GPS to provide accurate, legally traceable time. Since every clock displays the same precise time throughout a manufacturing facility, this promotes plant efficiency, standardizes schedules and shift changes, and improves employee punctuality. Synchronized clocks automatically adjust for daylight saving time or power outages without missing a tick. This frees up time and mitigates the safety risk of climbing ladders to change clocks by hand. Synchronized clocks improve productivity and streamline plant operations. Perfectly synchronized time displays the same exact time across the production floor, warehouse, shipping department, and customer service, standardizes production schedules, breaks, and shift changes, and supports lean manufacturing principles by maximizing the workforce and streamlining processes. Digital clocks feature vibrant LED characters with 250 feet visibility, and the 6-digit time format is ideal for detailed timekeeping applications. Count-up and count-down digital timers precisely monitor elapsed or remaining time during time-critical processes. Radio frequency wireless clock systems feature dependable frequency hopping technology to continuously broadcast a time signal using a network-based transmitter. This transmitter is centrally located and wirelessly sends a time signal to analog or digital clocks. Power over Ethernet or IP network clock systems provide both power and time data to each clock using a standard Ethernet cable. These clocks receive a time signal directly over your local or wide area network and are ideal for facilities rich in Ethernet infrastructure. A synchronized clock system is simple to expand at any time by adding clocks, provide the ability to mix and match clock formats as needed, and integrate with bell systems. Synchronize your entire manufacturing facility with official traceable time from Pyramid Time Systems.